Hey, SoCal, November 1979. Hey, with this direct to backle, on this 2.8 right approach for ILS, it's kind of strange, but it has me going straight from backle to Mibby, and then Nesty, and then Penny. You want me to just hold the vector on backle when I reach backle for 1979?
Number 1979, actually, I'm going to give you vector since you're a bit high. Fly present heading for now.
Copy that. We'll keep that present heading. Expect vectors for 1979.
Number 1979 is to maintain 6,000.
6,000, I see.
Number 5255 Romeo, flight heading 250, join the runway 28 right localizer.
Flighting 250, join the 28 right localizer. Cessna 5255.
Number 5255 Romeo, 4 miles from Nesty, cross Nesty at above 3,800, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
Nesty at about 3,800, cleared the ILS 28 right, Cessna 5255.
Number 1979 is to maintain 5,000.
5,000.
So Cessna 5255 Romeo, would you like us to keep our speed up or can we slow down to about 90 knots?
Number 5255 Romeo, best forward speed until 5 miles.
Our best forward speed till 5 miles, Cessna 5255 Romeo.
Number 1979, clear direct MIBI.
Direct maybe 99.
SoCal approach, Southwest 3850, holding shorter runway 27, ready for takeoff.
Southwest 3850, wind 3004, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27 clear for takeoff, Southwest 3850.
November 1979, cross MIBI at 4,200, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
Maybe 4,200, clear for ILS approach runway 28 right is. Back up.
No. November 1979, traffic 5 miles, 12 o'clock 5 miles, Cessna 172, 2,500 westbound, port side.
Watch cop down, report traffic in sight. Next time.
Southwest 3850, SoCal departure radar contacts the altitude.
3,500 going for 8,000, Southwest 3850.
Roger. Number 1979, reduce final approach speed.
Reduced for a final approach speed. Next time.
Number 5255, Romeo, runway. Disregard. Number 5255, Romeo, do you have the airfield in sight?
Hey, firm, we got the field sites.
Number 52. Actually, November 5255 Romeo, in that case, in San runway 28 right, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear land, Cessna 5255.
Airstone 283, contact Limburg Tower, 118.3 for your VFR clearance.
118.3, Airstone 280.
Number 1979, wind 330 runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land 28 right. Nice. gonna settle the music right now until we get this bird on the ground here. All right, so let's give a game face on there. All right, so let's get her in, folks.
Southwest 3850, contact LA Center 126.52.
Over to LA Center 126.52. Thank you for the ATC. See ya.
Local approach, good evening, Southwest 2254, descending out of 14,000. Information, Sierra, I'm lucky.
Southwest 2254, SoCal approach, welcome, thank you for Sierra, stand by.
SoCal approach, Cessna 5255, Romeo cleared 28 right at Mike, taxi transient.
November 5255 Romeo, cross runway 28 left at Mike, taxi via hotel to parking.
Cross 28 left at Mike, hotel to parking, Cessna 5255 Romeo.
Yeah, aviation. Hey man, we got butter this landing, man. Let's do this. Let's bring her in.
Southwest 2254 at Lindy, cleared approach runway 27.
At Lindy, clear the approach runway 27, Southwest 2254. And just for planning purposes, in case we can't get in 27 with the weather, I think there's a couple people behind us, but would there be any issue coming for 9? We could go into a hold while they land. They're coming behind us.
Southwest 2254, the previous pilots that came in reported a ceiling. I believe he could see it from the final approach fix.
Oh, okay, great, thanks.
Yep.
SoCal, hello, Southwest 211 descending, lucky 1.
Southwest 211 SoCal approach, hello. The Limburg altimeter 2992 at Lindy, cleared approach runway 27.
Cleared islet or cleared approach runway 27 at Lindy for Southwest 211.
River 1979, welcome to Montgomery. Exit left on